so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're here at Dig It in Torrance, California. And this place is really cool because it's all about construction. Woohoo! Yeah, and construction vehicles. Whoa! Like this tractor. Woo! Yeah, it also has all kinds of vehicles like cement mixers, excavators, and even a front loader. Woohoo! Let's go see how many we can find. Come on! Whoa! Check it out! Do you see what this is? It's a cement mixer! Whoa! This one is really good at mixing and spinning all the cement. Woo! Yeah, cement is what a construction worker uses to build bridges and buildings and sidewalks. And a wheel like this called a drum. Yeah, these help to mix up all that cement. Woo! And right now, I am certainly being some pretty mixed up cement. It's important that a cement mixer keeps on spinning because if the cement stops moving, then it hardens. Yeah, this isn't good. I'm a little bit stuck because I was cement and now I'm frozen cement. So silly. Hey, I wonder what other vehicles we can see today. Wait a minute. I think I see one right over here. Come on. Whoa, check it out. Do you see what I see? Take a look. It's an excavator. Whoa, and this excavator looks so fun because it's not digging in the dirt. It's digging in a ball pit. Woohoo! Okay, time to try it out. This is so much fun playing with the excavator. Yeah, and look, I have 3 controls. A red control, a blue control, and a yellow control. Yeah, the red one controls the boom. The blue one controls the bucket. And the yellow one controls the arm. When you use all 3, you can scoop up everything you want. Okay, time to do some digging. Yeah, I'm trying to get all the ball pit balls into the crates. Let's see how many I can get, okay? Okay. Whoa! Did you see that? We got so many of the ball pit balls. Whoa! Let's see if we can dump them in the basket. Check it out, we got so many. Yeah, we got 1, 2, 3 gray ones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white ones, and we got 10 blue ones. Whoa, I think we better keep on digging. It's so much fun to dig in the dirt. Yeah, if you're digging with your hand, you might get a little bit of dirt, but if you have an excavator arm, you can get all the dirt. Or all the bouncy balls. It looks like we got a lot of the ball pit balls in those crates. We did it! Great job excavating. So we saw a cement mixer and we played with an excavator, but I think there's even more to explore. Come on! Woohoo! Whoa, check it out! It's another construction vehicle. Wait a minute. This is yellow just like an excavator. It has a bucket and a cab just like an excavator, but it does not have tracks. Whoa, look! It has big wheels and tires. Yeah, that's because this is a front loader. They are really big, powerful construction vehicles that help to scoop up all kinds of things. An excavator might scoop some dirt. But a front loader will scoop up tools, bricks, or even snow on a really cold and chilly day. Whoa, it's snowing! Well, we better get inside and start picking up some bricks and some snow and all kinds of things. Come on. Ooh, here we go. Time to start the engine. Time to start the engine. Huh. Doesn't look like the front loader's working. Oh, we better check the engine. Quick, come on. Uh-oh, it looks like the engine's broken. Aw, that's okay though. Looks like a job for Mechanic Blippi. Super Mechanic Powers go! Woohoo! Whoa, that was some hard mechanic work. But it looks like the engine's better. Let's go see if it works. Come on. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Did you hear that? Yeah! It's the engine! Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! I just love honking the horn of the front loader. And you know, a front loader can pick up tools and bricks and snow from the street, but do you know what else it can pick up? Blocks! Woo, come on! There are so many different shapes here, like a cylinder or a rhombus. Do you know the name of this shape? Yeah, that's right. It's a triangle because it has 1, 2, 3 sides. Woohoo! Hey, look at this shape. It's a really big bow tie. I think this shape might be kind of hard to dance around with. It's a pretty big bow tie for me. Woo. Well, we have all these fun shapes. Maybe we can build something with them. Come on. Before we start building, we want to make sure our construction zone is safe. Okay, here we go. Woo. Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, time to build. Woohoo! Do you see what I made? A beautiful flower. It's a very blue flower. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Uh-oh, fell apart. But I think we can build something even better. Yeah! Let's use this piece and a circle and this hexagon and this fun noodle. Time to put it all together. Here we go! Whoa, check it out! It looks like a person! But our construction, experiment, building, creative art project thingy seems like it's missing something. Wait a minute, do you see what's behind me? I know what this person's missing. Woo! Some cool, rad-looking shades. Well, this is gonna make them look a lot better. Okay, we need some shades and a couple other things. Here we go. Yeah! Ta-da! It's finished! Everyone, I would like to introduce you to my very good friend, Blocky! Hi, Blocky, how are you today? I'm feeling a little bit blue. Aw, I'm so sorry, Blocky. Don't be sad. We can have lots of fun together here at Dig It. Yeah, we're gonna dig things and learn about some more construction things. Well, don't feel blue. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Woohoo! Whoa! There are so many bricks here! This definitely feels like a construction site. A construction site for Dinosaur Blippi! Uh-oh, it looks like we made a mess, but that's okay. We're going to use these bricks to build something awesome. Yeah, it's always important to remember, when you make a mess, just clean up after yourself. Yeah, we have a lot of bricks here to make a really awesome building. Let's count all the bricks that we have. Are you ready? Can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. $1,133, $1,134, $1,135. Whew, that was a lot of counting. Good job. Well, how are we gonna move all of these bricks up to the top so we can build our building? Check it out! It's a conveyor belt! Yeah! Well, this will be perfect for moving all these bricks. Yeah. A conveyor belt moves heavy objects from one place to another place. At an airport, a conveyor belt moves all the luggage around. Yeah! All you do is you put a brick on the belt and turn this wheel. See you later, brick! See you later! Aw, yeah. Look at it go! Whoa! Yeah, it does all the heavy lifting so you don't get too tired. Okay, it's time to move these bricks to the top. Then we can build our building! Woohoo! Here we go! Whoa! We did it! We got a bunch of bricks up top. I think that'll be enough. I'll see you up at the top. Look at all the bricks! They made it to the end of the conveyor belt. Whew, we have so many, we can build so many things. Maybe we should just make a little house. Okay, here we go. Look, we did it! We made a little house. I love bricks. Oh, so cute. Well, this was fun. You know what I want to do now? It's fun to go up the conveyor belt, but even more fun to go down the slide. Woohoo! Come on! See you at the bottom. Whoa! Did you see how fast I went? Yeah! Whoa, check it out! Do you know what else goes really fast? Race cars! Wait a minute. These have wheels like race cars, but these are more construction vehicles. Yeah! Check it out. It's a truck. Whoa, and look, an excavator arm and an excavator track. An excavator! Whoa, and it even looks like we could build a backhoe. Hey, let's see how many construction vehicles we can build, and then let's race. Okay, here we go. First, let's race the trucks. Okay, let's send them down to the bottom. Are you ready? Okay, drivers, start your engines! On your mark, get set, go! Whoa! Did you see how fast those race trucks went? Whoa, that was so fast. And it looks like truck number 2 was the winner. Let's race it again, come on. Well, who should we race truck number 2 with this time? Maybe the excavator. Okay, this is gonna be some bumpy racing. Okie doke, here we go. On your mark, get set, and go! Whoa! Uh-oh, the excavator lost its bucket. Looks like we need a little more practice building. Yeah, it's so cool. You can build all kinds of vehicles to race. And whether they're heavy or light, they could go faster or slower. Okay, for this next time, let's race the biggest, best vehicle ever! And I have the perfect idea. Check it out! It's a backhoe excavator garbage truck? Cool! Okay, let's see how fast this can go. Okay, start your engines, drivers! Here we go! Yeah! Whoa! Did you see that? It all broke apart! Well, that was one silly race. Woohoo! Whoa! 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 Today was so much fun! Yeah, I had so much fun being a construction worker and learning about cement mixers. Yeah, it's really good that this keeps turning so all that cement doesn't harden into one shape. Whoa! I'm a little bit dizzy. Wait a minute. Blocky, what are you doing here? Oh, are you still feeling a little bit blue? Well, that's okay. I know just how to cheer you up with the Blippi dance party. Dance along with us. All better. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of our videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with us? Great, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi, good job. Oh, and good job, Blocky. We'll see you soon, bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!